Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Now we are seeing north facing rental house plan of plot size 50 feet by 114 feet. The total plot area is about 5,700 square feet and the built-up area in the ground floor is 3,568 square feet. And let's discover this ultimate multi-family investment property. And these are carefully crafted according to traditional Vastu Shastra. And this layout features a massive parking area, an open northern passage, and perfectly positioned kitchens and bedrooms to ensure health and wealth. Let's get into the plan. This property belongs to an east-facing road, which is likely and highly auspicious and is native of prosperity. While the plot faces east, the main doors of the individual rental units open towards the north. You can see here the north is known for wealth and for rental property. Having tenants enter from the north is considered incredibly lucrative and ensures steady and reliable income. And we have a massive portico or parking space of 49 feet by 24 feet 6 inches, and it is located in the front of the property in the east and northeast corner, that is Ishanya corner. And the Ishan is zone of water element and is the most sacred corner of any plot. By keeping this area completely open, light and extended with a parking zone, the property acts as a magnet for positive cosmic energy and bringing immense luck and mental peace to the entire building. And we have our northern passage, a continuous 5 feet 6 inches by 88 feet 6 inches passage around the entire northern side of the plot to provide the access to rear units. Leaving a wide, unobstructed open space in the north is a golden rule in Vastu, and it allows the magnetic energies from North Pole to flow freely into every single unit and promoting financial health and career growth for all the families living there. In the ground floor, we have three individual rental units, and let's get into the first rental unit. And here we have our main door facing towards north. You can see here, and we have in the first entering we have a living room of size 22 feet 9 inches by 21 feet 6 inches, and we have a sofa location here, and opposite there we have our showcase, TV showcase here. And coming to the kitchen cum dining space is provided the size of 16 feet by 8 feet, and in the dining area, and the dining is provided with 8-seater, and we provide fixed location over here. And the kitchens for the units are strategically placed in the southeast zones of the respective footprints. And this is the Agni area. And placing the kitchen here ensures strong digestion, good health, and prevents the burning of wealth, ensuring that occupants' cash flow remains positive. And inside that we have our storage area of size 7 feet 6 inches by 4 feet. Let's come to the kids' bedroom. And here we have our kids' bedroom of size 16 feet by 8 feet. And we provide our bed sleeping portion in the south and wardrobe in the west. And we have a little passage of size 10 feet 6 inches by 4 feet here. In that we have our common toilet of size 5 feet 5 feet by 6 inches. And we provide the commode towards south. It should be kept towards south or not as per Vastu, and here it kept towards south in the common toilet. And we have a master bedroom in the southwest corner, Nairobi corner, and it is measured in the size of 16 feet by 10 feet. And the bed sleeping position is kept in the south and wardrobe in the west. The Nairobi corner, it is a best place for the head of the family to sleep. So we take this portion as a master bedroom. And this master bedroom is provided with an attached toilet of size 5 feet by 6 feet. And in this attached toilet, we have a commode pointing towards south direction. As I mentioned earlier, it should be pointed towards south or north, and here we kept towards south. And we have one more guest bedroom here, and it is in the measurement of 11 feet 6 inches by 10 feet. and it is located in northwest zone, and it is ideal for guest to stay. So it involves the movement and stability. So it is advisable to keep the guests here. And here we provide a big portion here and the wardrobe in this direction. And in the center we have a passage of size 28 feet by 8 feet 6 inches, and we have a staircase over here to access to the first floor. And coming to the next rental unit, second rental unit, and here we have our main door is here towards north direction. In this plan, both the ground floor and first floor, we have our rental space have a north door entrance only. And in the second rental unit, we have our hard-come dining space of size 28 feet 9 inches by 11 feet. And sofa location we provide here and opposite to the TV showcase. In this rental unit, we have two bedrooms, one master bedroom and kids bedroom. And the kitchen is placed in the southeast corner and of size 10 feet by 6 feet 6 inches. And we provide our we provide our water sink in the northeast of the kitchen. And coming to the master bedroom, it is measured the size of 16 feet by 10 feet, and kept our bed sleeping position in the south and water in the west. And this master bedroom is provided with an attached toilet of size 10 feet by 4 feet. And here we place our commode pointing towards north direction. And coming to the kids bedroom, it is measured the size of 16 feet by 10 feet. Here also we kept our bed sleeping position at the south and water in the west. And in this second entry, we have our common toilet near in the entrance, and it is measured with a size of 6 feet 3 inches by 10 feet, and the commode is pointed towards south. And coming to the third rental unit, we have our main door over here. It's facing towards north direction, and we have our living room, come dining of square size 28 feet 9 inches by 10 feet, and we provide sofa location over here. And opposite it, we have our TV showcase area. And this third rental unit is provided with two bedrooms, one master bedroom and guest bedroom. And we have a kitchen of size 10 feet by 10 feet and water sink in the northeast of the room. And coming to the master bedroom, it is provided with a size of 16 feet by 10 feet. As I mentioned earlier, the bed sleeping position in the master bedroom is kept in the south and water in the west. And this southwest corner is visible for the head of the family to rest, and it improves stability and strength to the family. And this master bedroom is provided with an attached toilet of size 5 feet by 6 feet, and here the commode is pointed towards south direction. And we have a common toilet over here next to the attached toilet here, the common wall. And this common toilet is provided with a size of 5 feet by 6 feet, and here also the commode is pointed towards south direction. And here we have a kids bedroom of size 11 feet 6 inches by 10 feet. These are with the ground floor plan. Let's get into the first floor plan. And in this first floor plan, we have four individual rental houses. First one is over here. First individual rental unit, the main door is placed towards north direction. And here we have a hard-come dining space of size 27 feet by 10 feet 3 inches. And we provide dining area here and sofa location here, and opposite there we have our TV showcase area. And the kitchen is measured with a size of 7 feet 6 inches by 10 feet 3 inches, and the water sink in northeast of the kitchen. And here next to the kitchen we have a master bedroom of size 16 feet by 11 feet. Here the bed sleeping position in the south and wardrobe in the west, as per Vastu we kept like that. And it is provided with an attached toilet of size 4 feet by 10 feet 3 inches. And coming to the kids bedroom, and we have a bed sleeping position in the south and the wardrobe in the west. And we have a little passage here of measurement 6 feet 9 inches by 3 feet 6 inches, access to the window, and the ventilation is easily get to the here. And here in the entrance we have a common toilet of say 6 feet 3 inches by 7 feet. And here is the commode is pointed towards south direction. And coming to the second rental unit, it is 3 BHK plot, and Here we have a sofa location, and the living room is shown the size of 22 feet 9 inches by 21 feet 6 inches. And we have our kitchen cum dining space of 16 feet by 8 feet, and also a storage unit of 7 feet 6 inches by 4 feet here. And coming to the kids' bedroom next to the storeroom, and it is measured the size of 16 feet by 8 feet, and we kept a sleeping position. The sleeping position is south and wardrobe in the west. And this kids' bedroom is provided with an attached toilet of size 8 feet by 4 feet, and here the commode is pointed towards north direction. And we have a passage over here of measurement 10 feet 6 inches by 4 feet. On the left we have our master bedroom of size 16 feet by 10 feet, and we kept the bed sleeping portion south and wardrobe in the west. And this portion is highly advisable for head of the family to rest, so you can keep this as a master bedroom. And this bedroom is provided with an attached toilet of size 5 feet by 6 feet, and here we kept a commode pointed towards south direction. And before going to this bedroom, we have a common toilet here of size 5 feet by 6 feet, and we have a guest bedroom of size 11 feet 6 inches by 10 feet, and we have a little passage of size 29 feet by 8 feet 6 inches here in between the other rental units. And our third rental unit in the first floor, we have a main door over here, and on the entrance we have our little common toilet of size 6 feet 3 inches by 10 feet, and here the cupboard pointed towards south direction. And we on the near entrance we have our hardcome dining space of size 20 feet 9 inches by 11 feet, and we provide sofa location here. And opposite to that we have our TV showcase area. Let's come to the kitchen. The kitchen is measured the size of 20 feet by 6 feet 6 inches, and here also we provide a water sink at the northeast of the room. And coming to the master bedroom, and it is measured the size of 16 feet by 10 feet, and we kept a bed sleeping position south and wardrobe in the west. This master bedroom is provided with an attached toilet of size 10 feet by 4 feet, and here the cupboard pointed towards north. It should be kept towards north or south, and here we kept towards north. And let's come to the kids' bedroom. And this kids' bedroom is provided with a size of 16 feet by 10 feet, and we have a bed sleeping position south and wardrobe in the west. And coming to the fourth individual rental unit on the first floor, our main door is over here, and we have our hardcome dining space of 28 feet 9 inches by 10 feet, and our sofa location is over here, and our TV showcase is opposite to here, and we also allocated a dining space of 8-seater, and we have our kitchen of size 10 feet by 10 feet, and as I said earlier, we kept a water sink in the northeast of the room, and it is 2 BHK plan, and we have our master bedroom over here in the southwest corner, negative corner, and we kept our bed sleeping portion south and wardrobe in the west. And this bedroom is measured size of 16 feet by 10 feet, and it is also provided with an attached toilet of size 5 feet by 6 feet, and here the common pointed towards south. And we have our common toilet over here, and it is measured in size of 5 feet by 6 feet, and the commode is pointed towards south direction. And we have our kids' bedroom of size 11 feet 6 inches by 10 feet over here, and that's all with the overall plan. And this entire plan is highly suitable for the commercial or rental income. You can get more plans on our website, houseplansdaily.com, houseplans.world. Our apps are available on the Google Play Store, Houseplans and Designs, House Designs and Plans, PlanNest and Designers apps. We are conducting 30-day online class on how to create house plans according to Vastu Sastra. If you are interested, please reach out via WhatsApp at 99952029063 to join. Thank you.